Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I apply my eyelashes. I did struggle when I first started doing makeup, but now I feel like I'm a pro at it, and I actually do it pretty fast. And I just want to teach you guys, like, how I do it, and, like, my tips. So that's what we're going to do today. First, what I always do is I curl my eyelashes, and then I prep them with mascara. So that's what we're going to do. For an eyelash curler, I've used this one for years now. It's the only one I've bought, and it's the only one I've owned. It's by Revlon. It's this teal one right here. I don't know if they still sell it. I did get it a couple of years ago, but it is really cute. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes first. So the thing about my eyelashes, when I was small, I accidentally cut them off. Like, not completely, but I did kind of trim them up. I did trim them on accident, and they are like barely growing in. Like they haven't been this long in a long time. But I did start using the Sugar Bear vitamins for my hair, and I don't know, like I felt like that actually helped my eyelashes grow in a way as well. But I don't want to make that claim because I'm not sure if that's the reason they grew so fast in a short period of time. But yeah, I do like how they look on their own sometimes, but I am used to wearing eyelashes, so I still put them on anyways. And I do like to curl them because I like them curly as fuck. Okay, so then for mascara today, I'm going to be using the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof by Maybelline. This one here. I've been using this one since day one, since I started my channel. My favorite mascara ever. I use this one because it's waterproof. I do have oily skin, so if I don't use a waterproof mascara, it does tend to run. So that's why I use a waterproof mascara when I know I'm going to be wearing it for a really long time, or when I'm going to be out like in the sun or something. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And I'm just going to curl my top lashes. I like to curl my bottom lashes after I'm done with my eye makeup, and I start to smoke out the bottom lash. So I'm not going to be putting any mascara on my bottom lashes yet. And I only do one or two coats. Coats. For eyelashes today, I'm going to be using my Tress Chic lashes in the style Chloe. I've been wearing these a lot lately. They're just so pretty and big and fluffy, and those are the type of lashes that I usually love wearing. So these ones right here. I do have a discount code with them if you guys want to use it. It's Blanca20. You can get 20% off your order. At checkouts, I do have a discount code for them, for IIKONN lashes, and for AZEREDO Cosmetics. They have lashes as well. So I will link them on the screen somewhere, but they are always linked on my description box of all my videos. So if you guys ever forget or something, you can just click on any one of my videos and they'll be on there. Okay, we'll probably not like on the first couple of them because I didn't have these discount codes in the beginning of my channel, but if you look in the most recent ones, they'll be there. So I'm going to apply these today. This is what they look like outside of the packaging. And normally what I do, I usually clean them before I apply them again. How I usually clean them is I get a wet makeup wipe, and I put it like this, and then I just fold it so both sides of the eyelash can be covered with the wipey, and I just go ahead and I clean them like this. And that usually really helps to take off any excess glue or any excess mascara on them, so they won't look so clumpy and used. So that's what I like to do. And you guys can see how much product it came off. Pretty disgusting. And I try to do this a couple times until I know that there's no more mascara on here. If there's obviously still gonna be glue on it, but I can just take that off with the tweezers, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. They are nice and clean now. And then if it has glue, I usually just take my finger and I pull it off. But the white bead took most of it off, so I don't want to take any off right now. When there's like a lot of glue and I have trouble, I usually use my tweezers and I just peel it off with the tweezers. Like that. And it comes off. For glue, I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is one of my favorite eyelash glues. I don't really see a lot of people talking about it, but this glue is like the best glue. Girl, your eyelashes will stay on forever. I've used this glue on days where I'm not going to be out in the sun, and I usually sweat a shitload of sweat, and my eyelashes do not budge, like, at all. And even when I want to take off my lashes, I have to really pull them off, or what I do sometimes is I get a cotton round with waterproof makeup remover, and I just rub it, and that usually takes it off. But it is a really good eyelash glue. It's less than $3 at Walmart, so I do recommend it to you guys. Okay, so then what I do, I get it on my tweezers like this, and then I get the glue and I open it. It's a little bit sticky because of all the glue. And then I get the glue, and then I just do the band. I tend to put the most of the glue on the ends just because that's where I have the trouble of them sticking on the most. So I usually put more on the ends. I let it get a little bit tacky on the tweezers before I apply them on, so I just go like this, so I just blow on it. And then how I usually tell is that it is a clear eyelash glue, so when I see that it's almost clear on some parts, and that's I know that it's ready to apply. So how I apply it is I grab it on the tweezers, and I get my mirror like this. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit. Like this, and I look down like this. And then, oh shit, I apply the center first. So I go ahead and I put on the center first like this. And then I get the tweezers and I apply the ends. So I apply this side first, while I'm still looking down in the mirror. And then I apply the inner corner. And then I look in the big mirror just to see how they look, like from far away. And then I get the little mirror again. And then I just get the tweezers and I push them into place. And then and then I do close my eye and I look around like this just to see if they're really on their right. And then I just push them in. And sometimes I even use my finger, because it is kind of dangerous to put it with your tweezers, but it's like what's worked for me the most. So when I really want to push them in really good, I use my fingers because that's safer and you're not going to poke your eye out like if you use tweezers. And then I use the tweezers and then I just push them up. The reason that I look down in the mirror is because when you look down in the mirror, you can actually see the ends of your eyelashes better than when you look like this. So when you look like this, you can see it, but it's better view if you use the bottom of the mirror like this. And then it gives you a better view of where to apply the eyelashes. So that's how I do it. And then when this is one is drying down, I'm going to apply the other one. So I'm going to do the same thing. And then I also use my finger to push them up. I don't want to put it on when the glue is still wet because that's not going to stick on really quick. We want to wait until it's kind of dry and tacky because that's going to really help to stick. And then you just let it dry while the whole eyelash is on your eye. So I can see that the inner corner of the eyelash is kind of clear already. So I know that I'm already ready to apply it. So I'm going to do the same thing. Apply the outer V and then the inner corner. And then I'm going to push it in. Okay. I'm going to push them up with the tweezers and also with my fingers. Okay. And then I also use my tweezers because I get my nails done a lot. I don't have them done right now. But when I have long nails, it's really hard to use my fingers. So that's why I use the tweezers a lot. But now that I don't have my nails on, I'm going to get them done again. But I'm giving them a break. I do like to use my fingers. So like that. And then like this one is drying down. This one should be dry already. So then what I like to do, I like to get the eyelash color and I like to curl them again. Just so they can blend out a little bit more with the real lashes and get them a little bit more up. Like that. And then I like to push them down again just in case when I was curling them they did come loose. Push them up. See, it makes a little bit of difference. This one is still drying down, so I'm not going to do I'm not going to curl them yet. While this is finishing drying, I'm going to apply some more eyeliner. And I'm going to put it on top of the eyelashes just so they can blend out a little bit more with the eyeliner. I'm just redrawing the eyelash. The eyeliner. So it can really blend in with the band. Like that. If you are barely starting to do your eyelashes, I suggest for you to buy the Kiss lashes. They're usually at Walmart or at Walgreens and at Sally's. The bands on the Kiss lashes are really, really thin, so they're going to be really easy for you to apply. And also, since you are barely starting off, I recommend those as well because the thin is really, since the band is really thin, they're really comfortable. So that's going to get you used to wearing them, and then you can start wearing like really big lashes and with the lashes that the bands are really, really thick. So yeah, I still wear those. Like, I wear those almost every day, especially for work, because I like to wear comfortable lashes for work. These are comfortable for work, but I feel like they're too dramatic for work, so that's why I use the Kiss lashes. And then what I also like to do is I like to get my other eyeliner. I usually use the Milani one or the Tarte one, and I just go over it one more time with this because this actually really helps it to look a little bit more matte. And I like it when they look matte, so that's what I do this for. And this actually helps to hide the eyelashes a little bit more. And then what I also like to do is when any eyeshadow falls onto the eyelashes, this is a really good trick. You just put this on top of the shimmer eyeshadow that fell onto the eyelashes, and that really covers it up. And that is how I apply my eyelashes. It looks super cute, I know. And then what I also do after I apply it, I do go over it again with the mascara just to really make those eyelashes blend in with my real eyelashes. I like to brush them out like this. That really helps to get them really together. Like that. And that is it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys thought this video was helpful and you guys got some tips on how to apply the eyelashes easier. That's what helps me and what made me good at applying them the way I apply them now. So if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see other videos like this, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.